Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, reggae royalties in the house with us today. Welcome to Peter and Gramps Morgan of Morgan Heritage.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right, so before we even go into the question, them, I'm going to have to sing a Morgan Heritage classic.
Oh.
Right. Come
Here we go. Run it in the dark. It's up for the people of St. Thomas. Straight.
Do 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 do. Ah, oh yeah, oh yeah. For Jamaica, St. Thomas,
St. Thomas,
yeah.
Ooh,
Daytime, I'll be down by the river, waiting for the good Lord to pass my way. Oh yeah.
Say, ooh, yeah. River,
yeah. Singing songs of joy on this lovely day.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's start the interview.
Wheels.
All right, so you're back on the island to promote your new album. The album is called Loyalty.
Yeah, man.
Tell us a little bit about the album.
Loyalty is an album that we put together to represent our love for the music. And we know that the way reggae music is today, it's not just roots music and it's not just lovers rap. Under the umbrella of reggae for the world, it's many different styles. The Americans have their flavor of how they hear reggae music.
Yeah.
We in Jamaica have our sound. In Africa, they have their sound.
True.
So on this album, we incorporated all those sounds to show that we're loyal to not just a type of reggae, but just reggae on a whole.
And what is really nice is that you guys have just finished a part of your world tour.
Yes.
Just let us know some of the places that you've been to that's vibing the whole movement. You
Why,
know?
as you know, Craig, you know, say reggae music is worldwide.
That's
You know?
right.
So this, your chorus is a witness of what this music is done from Jamaica. What Peter is saying is that you go to these different parts of the world and they have their own reggae stars too. So it is imperative that we, as reggae artists in Jamaica, will get the support from the country, from the government, and most of all from the citizens who love reggae music. But we've been to Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya. The tour actually kicked off in Kenya, and then we went to Europe for 2 months, and then we went to the US for 2 months, and now we're about to start another US tour for another 6 weeks.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, who you are?
You're back in Jamaica, and we love you guys so much. But what do you love about being here in Jamaica? What's your
Food.
Hey,
The food.
people!
The food.
My people
The food. I eat a dumpling this morning. I eat a dumpling. Me eat a dumpling this morning.
Wait,
right?
boiled dumpling or boiled
No,
dumpling?
boiled dumpling.
Boiled dumpling.
With some callaloo and saltfish. And you see the dumpling, that's why you can't spend too much time at fire, you know. Because for them dumpling kind of tough. I don't know where the flour. So big up the flour mill them. In Jamaica, right?
The water, you know,
but that dumpling there, it's soft like a donut. Hey, and so the dumpling nice, you know. and so some skinny man in Jamaica say can eat 15 dumplings. I can understand why. This man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
So what about you? Was it the dumpling or the banana or the...
This morning?
The mackerel? No. What was it?
No,
No, man.
It was just
No
the
mackerel,
callaloo and the green banana.
No mackerel.
We're going to talk about the dumpling
The dumpling
after. What's the name of the song you're going to perform for us today?
We're going to do the title track of the new album, Loyalty.
Yes.
It's the first time we're performing it on TV anywhere.
Anywhere.
So it's Jamaica.
Television exclusive right here, Daytime Live. Stay tuned.
Big up all of the loyal friends then.
Loyalty goes a long, long way. Ooh, good friends are so hard to find.
Good friends are hard to find. Loyalty goes a long, long way. Yeah.
Good friends are so hard to find.
So hard. Loyalty.
Oh yeah.
Listen lyrics.
Loyalty goes a long way.
Long, long way.
Tell your friends, tell your neighbor, tell your brother, tell your sister, loyalty is real.
Yeah.
Check it. Look how long me and me bridging apart. No, me can't believe me can't trust him at all.
Yeah.
Shall reveal to high said the brethren no know nothing but loyalty. Now to our next man come promise him diamond and gold. Him sell out him brethren and gan corrupt him soul. Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty. A long time we are trying to road together. never thought I would get deceived by my brother. I was blind and I behold no sign. The way me trust me brethren on with me life, yeah.
What kind of something this? What kind of living this?
Me can't believe I saw me left myself careless. My mama always tell me to beware of the friends you keep, yeah.
Look how long me and me brethren apart.
No, me can't believe me can't trust him at all.
Yeah.
Charity to high, said the brethren no
Aye.
know. No more loyalty.
Loyalty.
No true one next one's go promise him diamond and gold. Him sell out him brethren and gone corrupt him soul. Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty.
When me say, now how all this time I thought everything was fine, only to find out so much was hidden inside. I'd go to war anytime for my friend, defend our friendship till the very end, yeah. Always thought we could overcome anything. Look how long me and me bridging apart.
No, me can't believe
Me can't trust him at all, yeah.
Charity to I said the brethren no know. None but loyalty.
Big up Buju Banton.
No true one next one's go promise him
Diamond and gold, him sell out him brethren and gone corrupt him soul.
beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty.
Loyalty.
Hear me one more time.
Look how
Long me and me brethren apart. No, me can't believe me can't trust him at all.
yeah.
Shall reveal to I said the brethren no know.
None but loyalty. No true one next one's go promise him diamond and gold, him sell out him brethren and gone corrupt him soul.
Beware of who you call your friends, cause some don't know loyalty.
Loyalty. Yeah, man. Brand new. Good for you.
Awesome. All right, so where can we find you on social media?
At Morgan Heritage, everything at Morgan Heritage.
Nice.
So make sure you follow us as well as Daytime Live. Make sure you follow us because we are there. Them always think they're Rasta on social media, but we're there.
Yes.
But we're sometimes, we call them, no Rasta on Instagram, but they're Insta snoopers.
Into super.
You know, some people will just go up and look on people's
just look
page,
on
but them not post nothing.
Yes.
Watch them.
Yes, that's true.
Have to be careful.
That's true. I love it.
So,
You know how long me and my friend them apart?
How long you and your friend them apart?
Loyalty.
Are you
Yeah.
still
No.
not? Are you
Hey,
still
hey,
not
hey,
paying
hey,
attention?
hey, hey.
Because
Yes, miss, yeah.
you never even see when we bring your birthday present
Oh,
courtesy.
no.
Nice.
Happy birthday! Yeah, take your time. And this is courtesy of CPJ.
Yeah, man.
Beautiful. No clap it up. No.
She love wine of all kinds.
Wine of all kinds.
Happy birthday,
Nice.
Nisha. Big up to Morgan here.
Yes,
Thank
man.
you so
Good
much
to
for
see you,
joining
brother.
us.
Good to see you.
Thank you.
Blessings in general. Man, them boys sound like
I love
sick
it.
here, man. My God.
Yeah?
Thank you.
All of the loyal friends. All of the loyal friends.
Tuesday
them.
with much more buzz,
Yes.
chat, vibe,
Look
and
how long me and me bridging apart.
Mix.
Trust him at all, yeah.
Charity to high said the brethren no know.
Nothing but loyalty. No true a next man go promise him diamond and gold, him sell out him brethren and gone corrupt him soul.
Beware of who you call your friends, cause
Him
some
no
don't
know
know
loyalty. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Hallelujah for the good friends. Hallelujah.